Looking for the perfect rice cooker but not sure which one actually deserves space on your counter? Today we're ranking 5 popular models from basic and budget-friendly, all the way up to a premium rice-making powerhouse. Let's start with the simplest cooker on our list, landing in 5th place. This one is all about no-fuss rice cooking. You press a button, it cooks, and then it switches to keep warm. That's it. No menus, no confusing settings, just straightforward rice for small meals. In terms of features, this cooker keeps things very basic compared to the others. You still get a removable non-stick pot and even a small steaming basket, which is nice if you want to throw in some veggies while your rice cooks. But next to the higher-ranked models, it feels more like a starter appliance than a full kitchen helper. The trade-off for that simplicity is limited control. You don't get special settings for brown rice, no timers, and no advanced tech to adjust cooking automatically. The capacity is also on the smaller side, so it's not ideal if you're cooking for a big family or meal prepping for the week. This is best for students, singles, or anyone who just wants cheap, basic rice without extra bells and whistles. If that sounds like you, it gets the job done. But if you want more flexibility, the next model up starts to add some serious upgrades. By the way, you'll find links to all the rice cookers in this video at the best prices in the description right under the video. Coming in 4th place, this cooker steps things up from super basic to genuinely versatile. It still stays affordable, but now you get digital controls and multiple cooking modes instead of just one button. Compared to the previous cooker, this one can handle more than just standard white rice. You get a setting for brown rice, a quick cook option when you're in a hurry, and even a steam function for vegetables or fish. The delay timer is a big upgrade too. You can set it earlier in the day and come home to hot, ready rice. That said, it's still not as powerful or advanced as the higher-ranked models. Cooking times can be a bit longer, and you don't get the smart cooking adjustments that premium rice cookers use to fine-tune texture. It's a solid all-rounder, but not a perfectionist when it comes to rice. This one is great for small families or anyone who wants more flexibility without paying premium prices. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and you won't miss our future reviews. Now, let's move into the mid-range where things start getting a lot more high-tech. Right in the middle of our ranking, this cooker is where rice makers start to feel like multi-cookers. It's bigger, more powerful, and packed with preset programs for all kinds of meals. Compared to the earlier models, this one gives you a huge jump in versatility. Beyond different rice types, you can cook soups, grains, and more, all from a touch panel on the front. The higher wattage means it heats up faster, and the larger capacity makes it a better fit for families or batch cooking. The downside is that with so many options, it can feel a little overwhelming if all you want is simple rice. Also, while it's very capable, some people find that dedicated high-end rice cookers still produce more consistent texture, especially for picky rice lovers. This is a great choice if you want one appliance to handle a lot of different meals, not just rice. But if rice quality is your absolute top priority, the next 2 models are designed to focus more deeply on perfect results. Now we're getting into serious rice territory. This cooker takes 4th place because it balances smart technology with a wide range of cooking options, all while focusing heavily on rice quality. What really makes this one stand out is its smart cooking system that adjusts temperature and timing automatically. That means better texture without you having to guess water levels or cooking times. You still get plenty of extra modes like porridge, soup, and even cake, so it's more than just a rice machine. The trade-off here is time. Smart cooking can take longer, especially compared to simpler or higher pressure models. The ceramic bowl is also a bit heavier and needs a little more care, but in return you get more even cooking and less sticking. This is ideal for households that eat rice often and want consistently great results, but still like the option to cook other dishes. And if you're wondering whether we can do even better than this, the top-ranked cooker is built specifically to push rice quality to the next level. Taking the top spot, this cooker is built for people who are truly serious about rice. It uses pressure cooking along with smart controls to create texture that's hard to match with standard models. Compared to every other cooker on this list, this one focuses the most on perfecting rice itself. The pressure system helps cook grains more thoroughly and evenly, especially for tougher types like brown rice. You also get several rice-focused programs and helpful features like voice guidance that walks you through the process. Of course, premium performance comes with a few downsides. It costs more, it's bigger, and it has more features than some people will ever use. If you just want basic white rice now and then, this would be overkill. But for families who eat rice all the time or anyone chasing restaurant-quality texture at home, this one easily earns first place. It's built to do one thing exceptionally well, and it delivers. If any of these rice cookers caught your eye, check the links in the description to see the top options and current prices. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next kitchen upgrade guide.